if you created categories in your gradebook, whether you have like weighted categories or you just go by points, there's going to be a time where you might need to fix it. In this case, my class is weighted by percentages, and so it's telling me that my final grade is calculated to 120% and not 100, so I need to fix that. But there's also times, like if you just go by points, that you put stuff in the wrong category or no category. This shows you how to fix all of that. So in my gradebook right here, if I just scroll to the assignment, so for example, here's paper 4 right here, and I really want that to be in the paper category over here, I can just click on the down arrow right there, edit, and assign it to the right category, over to papers, save and close. And now in my gradebook, there's paper 4, still tells me I have to fix something. So here's the second way you could fix it. I could go back to paper 5 and fix it the same way. Another way to look at this, I can go up to manage grades. And if I scroll down through everything here, I see I have this assignment here just kind of like hanging out. It's not in a category. It's basically like an item hanging outside of all the categories by itself. I could click on that down arrow again and go to edit, or I could go to bulk edit up here. I could put a check mark in that box, bulk edit, and as I scroll down to the very bottom here, it's telling me like here's all my other categories and point values and things there. But I could just say, hey, this really needs to be with the paper category as well. I'm going to rename that so it says paper 5 and save. And now, that angry message went away. Everything is balanced correctly and everything is in the right category where it needs to be. So that's how you'd go about making sure that assignments are in the right categories, or if you need to fix it right from the gradebook. Thank you and have a good day.